Can I withdraw from my CD without an early penalty? Imagine locking in a fixed interest rate on your savings and wondering if you can access your money without losing some of it. That's what we're talking about today. When you put money into a certificate of deposit, or CD, you're agreeing to keep it there for a set period called the term. This could be anywhere from a few months to several years. In return, the bank or credit union pays you a guaranteed interest rate. But what happens if you need to get your money out before the term ends? Usually, you face an early withdrawal penalty. This penalty is set by the bank or credit union and is meant to discourage taking out your money early. Typically, it is a certain number of days or months worth of interest, like 90 or 180 days of interest. If your interest earned is less than the penalty, you might even lose some of your original deposit. However, there are exceptions. The only time you can withdraw from your CD without paying a penalty is after it reaches its maturity date. When your CD matures, you can take out your initial deposit plus any interest earned without any fees. Many banks and credit unions give you a grace period after maturity, usually a few days or up to 2 weeks, during which you can withdraw your money or roll it into a new CD without penalty. Some banks also offer special types of CDs called no-penalty CDs. These accounts let you withdraw your money before maturity without paying a fee, but they often come with a lower interest rate compared to regular CDs. If you decide to withdraw early from a standard CD, expect to pay a penalty. The exact amount varies depending on the bank or credit union and the CD's term. For example, a 3-year CD might have a penalty of 6 months of interest if you withdraw early. Always check your account agreement to understand the specific rules and penalties for your CD. Remember, if you need access to your money before the CD matures and you don't want to pay a penalty, a no-penalty CD could be a good option. But for most traditional CDs, waiting until maturity or the end of the grace period is the best way to avoid losing money. So, in short, you can only withdraw from your CD without an early penalty after it has matured or during the grace period. If you need your funds sooner, be prepared for the penalty unless you have a no-penalty CD. Always review your account details to know exactly what to expect.